Hello, today we will learn the next topic of the mobile communication. It is wireless network technologies. Total 12 marks for this topic. In this topic, we see the different technologies like Bluetooth technology. In that, we see the features, architectures, frequency band, IEEE 802.15.1 standard and other wireless protocols, different applications and personal area network. Next, we see the RFID. In that, we see the concepts, frequency band, classification of the RFID tags and the applications related to the RFID. Next, we see the WLAN technology. In that, we see the IEEE 802.11 WLAN system architecture radio spectrums. Next, we see the WMAN WiMAX technologies. IEEE 802.16 WMAN and IEEE 802.16 AWMAX technologies. Next, we see the mobile ad hoc networks, different topologies and applications we see in the Bluetooth technology. The development in wireless communication is more convenient, reliable and flexible as compared to different wired communications. Bluetooth is a well-known short-range technology and it is useful for the wireless personal area network. The Bluetooth is a wireless technology used to transferring the data from one device to other device. The Bluetooth technology was developed by the Bluetooth Special Interest Group and its physical range it is 10 meter. The Bluetooth device can connect up to 7 devices. The Bluetooth technology does not require any cable to communicate with the other device. We see the different features of the Bluetooth technology. It has capability of sharing all its features with other Bluetooth device in the surrounding area. Means by using this Bluetooth device we can share all its features to the another device. It can share information with a Bluetooth enabled computer or printer. It can communicate at range up to 10 meters. The specified rate of data transfer it is 1 Mbps. Bluetooth use the ISM band at 2.4 GHz. It is less cost and low power consumption. These are the different features related to the Bluetooth technology. Next point it is Bluetooth architecture. It consists of different parameters like piconet, scatternet, master unit, slave unit, parked unit and standby unit. Let's see one by one. First is the piconet. The Bluetooth supports master and slave concept. It supports both unicast means point to point and the point to multipoint connection. The piconet is formed by master and slave units. These devices are connected in ad hoc fashion. In such type, terminal to terminal is connected temporarily. All Bluetooth devices as peer units and have identical implementations. Means piconet it is based or Bluetooth supports to the master slave concepts. The piconet it is formed by using the master and slave units and these devices are connected in ad hoc fashion. All the Bluetooth devices are peer units and have identical implementations. Next it is scatternet. Scatternet it is made up of 2 or more piconets. These 2 piconets must be independent and non-synchronized piconets that communicate with each other. A master unit in one piconet can establish this connection by becoming a slave in the other piconet. Hence, a single device acts as a master in one piconet and slave in the another one simultaneously. These are the scatternets. Next is the master unit. The device in the piconet whose clock and hopping sequence are used by synchronize all other devices in the piconet. Means master unit in that the different The device in the piconet whose clock and hopping sequence are used to synchronize all the devices in piconet. Next is the slave units. All devices in a piconet that are not the master and slaves. All the slaves are controlled by masters. All the slaves have to synchronize with the hopping patterns decided by the master. Next is the parked units. Devices in a piconet which are time synchronized but do not have any MAC addresses. They do not actively participate in the piconet but are known devices. They can be reactivated within few milliseconds if needed. Next is the standby units. These devices are synchronized to a piconet but they are temporarily moved to power saving mode in which device activity is reduced. Devices in standby do not participate in piconet. These are different parameters related to the Bluetooth architecture. Next it is the personal area network. The personal area network is basically a low power short range radio transferring device. It allows user or system to communicate with another user or device within the limited range approximately 10 meter to 50 meter. Different features related to personal area networks are range of communication, it is 10 meter to 50 meter, hence it is suitable for the indoor connectivity. Operating frequency spectrum, it is 2.4 GHz ISM band. Wired technology has been replaced. It is inexpensive, low power consumption and integration to local networks as well as the internet. This is the personal area network.